Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the lace fan stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 4. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, work 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. So this stitch is going to be made from shells and single crochet stitches. It's very similar to the classic shell stitch if you're familiar with that. I have a video on my channel and I will have that listed down below. It's going to be the same thing basically with chains in between them. So these 2 double crochet plus these chains count as half of a shell. You're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2, to skip 3 chains. And then into the next chain, make a single crochet. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, to skip 3 chains. And then into this next chain, you're going to make a shell of 5 double crochet. So you can see how our sequence is going to go. Chain 2 to skip 3, make a single crochet into the next chain, chain 2, skip 3, make 5 double crochet into the next chain. So we are going to start repeating this from here. Chain 2 to skip 3 chains into the next one, make a single crochet. Chain 2 to skip 3 chains into the next one, make 5 double crochet. Chain 2 to skip 3 chains into the next one, make a single crochet. Chain 2 to skip 3 chains. We only have 1 chain left. Into that last chain of our row, make 3 double crochet. Which is going to represent half of a shell, and that is going to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Now our sequence is going to be the same as row 1, it's just going to be worked into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2. We're going to skip over to this first single crochet we come across and we're going to make 5 double crochet into that stitch. Make 2 chains, 1, 2. We're going to skip over to this next previous shell stitch. Into the middle double crochet of this shell, make a single crochet. So now you can see how this sequence is going to go. It's going to be the same stitches as row 1. We're just working the opposite ones into the stitches we established in row 1. So it's going to be chain 2 to skip any chain 2 space, a 5 double crochet shell into any single crochet, chain 2 to skip any chain 2 space, and then a single crochet into the middle double crochet of any previous 5 double crochet shell. So make 2 chains. You're going to skip to this single crochet next and make 5 double crochet into that stitch. Make 2 chains. Skip to the middle double crochet of this previous 5 double crochet shell, make a single crochet into that stitch, make 2 chains, skip to the next previous single crochet and make 5 double crochet into that stitch. Make 2 chains, Now when we get to the end of our row, we have these 2 double crochet and some chains that we know count as half of a shell. You're going to skip these 2 double crochet, and into the top of these chains, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we made these half shells and then we got into our sequence. So into the first stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet. Those 2 double crochet with those chains count as half a shell. Now we're going to be working the same sequence as we have been. We're going to be working the opposite stitches into the ones we come across. So make 2 chains. We've come across 1 shell of 5 double crochet. Into the middle double crochet, make a single crochet. Make 2 chains. Next we have a single crochet, make 5 double crochet into that stitch. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, make a single crochet into the middle double crochet of the next shell. Make 2 chains. Make 5 double crochet into the next previous single crochet. Make 2 chains, make a single crochet into the middle double crochet of the next previous shell, make 2 chains. Now we are at the end of our row and we only have a single crochet left. We need to make that half shell. So we're going to make 3 double crochet into this last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the lace fan stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.